Hey there, home bakers! Today, I've got a special treat for you. A delicious carrot cake with cream cheese frosting and some elegant decorations that will wow your guests. Let's dive right into the recipe. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For the cake, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 large eggs, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups grated carrots, and 1/2 cup chopped walnuts if you like a little crunch. Now for the frosting. 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/2 cup unsalted butter softened, 2 cups powdered sugar sifted, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Let's start with the cake batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease 2 9-inch round cake pans. Line the bottoms with parchment paper. It makes taking the cakes out a breeze. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. In a large bowl, beat the eggs, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until smooth. Add the vegetable oil and vanilla extract, then mix well. Gradually fold in the dry ingredients until just combined. Stir in the grated carrots and walnuts if you're using them. Next, divide the batter evenly between your prepared pans. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cakes are cooling, let's make that dreamy cream cheese frosting. In a mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese and butter until smooth and creamy. Gradually add the powdered sugar and continue mixing until fluffy. Stir in the vanilla extract. Now for the fun part, assembling and decorating. Place 1 cake layer on a serving plate. Spread a thick, even layer of frosting on top. Add the second cake layer and frost the top and sides of the cake. To decorate elegantly, use a piping bag to create decorative swirls or rosettes on top. Add some edible flowers, candied carrots, or crushed nuts for a refined finish. For a modern touch, you can sprinkle a light dusting of cinnamon or even some gold leaf accents. Chill the cake for about 30 minutes before serving to let the frosting set perfectly. And there you have it, a stunning carrot cake with luscious cream cheese frosting and elegant decorations. Perfect for any special occasion. Enjoy your baking, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.